Hello everyone! So I just want to share you what happened to some of the newbies na nag-chat sa akin regarding their first ever class. So ganito yung nangyari sa kanila. 9 o'clock pa yung kanilang first class. She asked me about ano yung gagawin ko para makapag-review ako ng aking lesson sa aking estudyante. So of course, I said na you can refer to the 5-1 Talk application. Kaya lang, iba yung itsura if PDF kasi yung file. I said that you must get inside AC para makapag-practice ka doon kasi actual talaga, especially if yung klase mo is H5 student. So, she entered the AC at 8 o'clock. Suddenly, yung estudyante ay pumasok rin. So, nagpanic yung newbie. So, ang nangyari, nakapag-klase na si teacher kasi nataranta talaga siya ano yung gagawin niya. Instead na magpa-practice siya doon or maybe at the middle na siya ng kanyang practice, nagklase na lang po siya sa estudyante. Yes, natapos niya yung klase niya at saka at 9 o'clock ay pumasok pa rin siya sa kanyang klase. And then, mga 15 minutes after pa, pumasok yung estudyante kasi tapos na niyang class yung kanilang lesson. So, if that happened, teachers, na while you are practicing, the student entered the class, can go out of the air classroom. Kasi the students are really entering their AC also para makapag-practice. Hindi necessarily na kasi nandun ka sa AC, mag-handle ka na ng kanilang klase. So, parang 2 or 3 teachers na ang nag-share ng ganyang scenario. So for all the newbies, kung mangyari man sa inyo na you are in the AC, tapos pumasok bigla yung estudyante, do not conduct a class kasi hindi pa ninyo oras for the class. And then, much more na magkaka-penalty kayo kung hindi na kayo papasok sa inyong exact time of the class. Kasi, hindi yon proper. You have to get inside AC and conduct the class during the said booking schedule. I hope na nakatulong ito. And then, huwag kayong magpanic kasi hindi naman magtatagal yung estudyante sa AC. He will just go out at i-timing nyo na pasok naman kayo after ng estudyante. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye-bye!